It violates federal law and can result in incarceration if you lie to the jury under oath. The defamation trial involving Amber Heard and Johnny Depp has begun to disclose one fact after another. Amber Heard has not been going well, as the jury has caught her lying many times throughout the trial. Hello everyone, and welcome to Trending 10. Today, we'll be looking at the 8 times the new judge caught Amber Heard lying under oath. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. Amber Heard has revealed that she has not been able to fulfill her promise to donate $3.5 million to the ACLU, even though she had previously stated that she intended to use the proceeds from her divorce to support the organization. She appeared in front of the jury and stated that the fact that Johnny Depp was suing her prevented her from proceeding with the donation because of the fees associated with the court case and the lawyers. Heard said, "I fully intend to honor all of my pledges. I would love for him to stop suing me so I can do so." She has come out clean about the fact that she did not give the money and asserts that she will fulfill her obligation as soon as the trial is done. Because of her shenanigans during the trial, she's already become a worldwide meme, and telling a lie about giving to the ACLU and Children's Hospital will not exactly help her case in the eyes of the public. She claims that she is financially independent of him, but she hasn't been able to keep her commitment to donate the money she actually won from him. Therefore, she needs to approach it cautiously. The question is, can she? Due to the allegations that she altered injury images during her high-profile legal battle with Johnny Depp, Amber Heard has been cautioned that she may be subject to incarceration. Defamation lawyer Aaron Mink said more and more objective evidence that she's lying about things under oath could lead to a sentence for the actress. At the Fairfax courthouse in Virginia, both sides' legal teams engaged in heated closing arguments. He made this statement as the jury in the case involving the feuding couple is scheduled to resume deliberations. Mink stated that he did not believe that there was any possibility that Heard might face prosecution for anything she has said on the witness stand during the defamation trial for her ex-husband Johnny Depp. Telling how he has changed his mind as the case hurtled towards its conclusion, he said, "I think that as this case goes on and we start seeing more and more objective evidence that she's lying about things under oath, that's when it starts crossing the line into the possibility that she is fabricating the evidence, fabricating photos, fabricating bruises, altering evidence, and then submitting it." Mink warned that the fabrication of evidence is very serious and extremely disrespectful to the legal system. He said, "I would hope that prosecutors would take a close look at it, because if there is a clear evidence that she did that should be considered. If it was proven that that was the case, and there are certainly some questions being raised in the trial, that could potentially lead to a criminal prosecution and jail time." Heard has been accused of lying about a variety of things by attorneys representing Depp, including having to use makeup to cover up bruises that she claims were inflicted by the Pirates of the Caribbean actor, and failing to donate the $7 million that was awarded to her as part of their divorce settlement to charitable organizations. This comes after a partner of the law firm, Hodge, Jones, Allen, Sean Caulfield, told Mail Online that Heard might be subject to a perjury investigation in the UK, since misleading a court goes to the foundation of our judicial system. When asked if he could see police investigating claims that she may have lied under oath about donating her $7 million, he replied, "Yes, I think so." He was then asked if he could see police investigating claims that she may have lied under oath about donating her $7 million. Perjury is the single biggest threat and cuts to the core of our justice system, so the police may be invited to investigate to show that any public member who lies to the court can be prosecuted for perjury. Even though it may not be a central issue with the case, perjury is the single biggest threat and cuts to the core of our justice system. The defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has captured the public's attention and prompted a massive debate on the current status of gender relations and the development of the #MeToo movement. In an opinion piece that she wrote for the Washington Post in 2018, Amber Heard identified herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. This prompted Johnny Depp to file a lawsuit against his ex-wife for defamation. The actor, who played Ed Wood in Ed Wood, asserts that it wrongly indicates that he's a domestic abuser, which is a claim that he categorically refutes. As a result, he has had a difficult time in landing gigs in Hollywood as of late. Amber was countersuing for $100 million, accusing Depp of conducting a smear campaign against her and presenting his complaint as a continuation of abuse and harassment, and Depp was suing for $50 million in damages. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.